Hello! In this video we will see how a faculty member assigns a case study to students and how mentees can access it. Before continuing, please watch part 1 and part 2 of this series. Faculty assigning case study. First, log in to the website using your faculty credentials to access the faculty dashboard. From the dashboard, click on available cases to view case studies that are ready for assignment. Next, click on Institute Case to view the case studies created by faculty. Select the case study you want to assign and click the Assign button. Choose the class from the drop-down to display all students in that class. Click on the Assign button. Now configure the case settings. Set the start date and time, and the deadline date and time for the case study. Next, set when fact-based and analysis questions will appear, before, during, or after class. You can also add follow-up questions by selecting the number of questions and the difficulty level. Enable the question set toggle to create multiple question sets that can automatically assign questions based on the mentee roll numbers. You can also attach additional material if needed. Once all configurations are completed, click Assign Case to successfully assign the case study. Now that the case study has been assigned by the faculty, let's see how a mentee can access and attempt the assigned case study. Log in using your mentee account. From the dashboard menu, click on Case Study. Then, from the sub-menu, select Case Study Details to view the assigned cases. Select the assigned case study and click View Case Study. Here you can read the case details and review the provided materials. Once the case becomes available based on the faculty configured time, click the Simulate Case button to begin the case study. The case study will begin, and the questions will be displayed for the mentee to answer. This completes the process of assigning and accessing a case study within the system. Thank you.